Today we are talking about the hamstring muscles. This is semitendinous muscle. Its origin is from ischial tuberosity and gets inserted at the medial surface of tibia along with sartorius and gracilis muscle. It is supplied by tibial part of the sciatic nerve. The next is semimembranous muscle. Its origin is from the ischial tuberosity, get inserted at the medial condyle of tibia, supplied by tibial part of the sciatic nerve, and this is biceps femoris muscle. It has two heads of origin. One is the long head and the short head. The long head originates from the ischial tuberosity. Short head is from the lateral lip of linea aspera, and this biceps get inserted at the head of fibula. Supplied by the long head is supplied by tibial part of sciatic nerve, and the short head is supplied by common peroneal part of the sciatic nerve. The action of these three muscles, that is semitendinous, semimembranous, and the biceps, are that these are the chief flexor of the knee joint and the medial rotator of the leg in a semiflexed knee. These also act as a weak extensor of hip joint. Adductor magnus muscle, whose origin is from the lower lateral part of ischial tuberosity and the conjoint ramus. Its insertion is on the medial margin of gluteal tuberosity. Is supplied by two nerves, that is adductor part is supplied by posterior division of the obturator nerve and hamstring part by the tibial part of sciatic nerve. It has action of adductor part, causes adduction of the thigh, and ischial part helps in the extension of hip and the flexion of knee joint.